Hi everyone. So we are going to discuss today the find the punishment number of the integer. Basically, let's go through the problem statements. We are given a positive integer n, and we need to return the punishment number of n. So what is that punishment number? The punishment number of n is defined as the sum of the square of all the integers I would be belongs from 1 to n. Okay, and the decimal representation of I square can be partitioned into contiguous substrings such that the sum of the integer value of these substrings equal to I. Okay, fine. It could be partitioned into contiguous substrings, and like we are given n value as 10, so there would be possibility of 1 to 10. Okay, so we will iterate through every number and check whether that number is the punishment numbers or not. So let's start with 1. So once 1 into 1, that would give 1. So and the 1 is equal to that initial value I. So this is the punishment number. Similarly, we will check for the 2 square 4, but 4 is no, the sum of the digits of 4 would be 4, and 4 is not equal to 2, so that would not be a punishment number. Similarly, we will check for all that number like 9 square 81, 18 1, and the sum of the digits in all possible way. There is one way, that is 8 plus 1. So we will get 9, so that is also a punishment number. Similarly, for the 10, could be 10 square 100 can be partitioned to 10 plus 0. Similarly, we are given value and the sum of these values we need to return. So 181 and 100, so that would give 182. Similarly, for the n37, these are same, and for the 36 square 1296, and the 1296 can be partitioned in many ways, and in which there is one way, that is 1 plus 2 9 plus 6, and we need to, and so we will get that 36. So that would also count, and we need to return the sum of these numbers. Okay, like 180 100 and 1296, square of that number, sorry. So how we will think of that solution? Okay, so let's start with the 36, because this will give you a proper building of the solution, help you. Okay, so let's start like 36 square, so it would be 1296. Okay, 1296, this would be. So how to make it? So let's the how we can do that. Okay, so just let's go to the basics how we can think. I will basically discuss the intuition how you should think. So let's start. We need to split in all possible ways and check whether the sum of these digits will be give the I, and here in that case the I is 36. Okay, so how we can do? So let's start with the small parts. Okay, like first we get to the first digit, like first string, because that is the contiguous substrings. Okay, so we need to check like that. So 1, and the other part could be 296, right? So similarly, 2, it would be like 96, it would be 9, then it would be 6, right? So we will do in that way. So what we think, we need to make the digit sum also as a 36. So if you take the first number, then the other would be 35, right? Yes, let me change the color as 35, right? So if we take 2, then it should give 33. If we take 9, it should give 27, right? Yes. Uh, okay, if you will get that. Sure. Uh, and if we go it in a further division, like for the 6, if we take the 6, this will be emptied, and like empty string, and so we will see it should return 21, but that is not the case. So we will come and return it with yes, no, false. We need to go back. Here this is not satisfying also, 33 is not. So we will just backtrack this part. So we will come up here, and from here actually this will return the yeah, and we will now again come up to this value. Okay, so what we can do, uh, like we checked in a one way. So it could be another possibility is that 96 could be divided like 96, and this would be something empty string, right? And the target value would be 33 minus 96, so it's kinds of negative value. I'm assuming that there would be some positive values like 96, 6 and 63, I guess. 63? Yeah, 63. Fine. So minus 63, negative value. So we need to return from this one also. So again, not possible. So we will check for that also. And now 296. So we did for the one partition, right? And now here, as we took the two digits, similarly we need to take here also two digits, right? So let's change the color. So this could another possible case like we can do as 29. Wait, I will draw it here. So 296 could be splitted as 2, 9 and 6. This could be another way. So how we can do, I will tell you. Like 35, so 39 minus 35 minus 29, it will return 6. And when we come here, we will do like here we take 6, and the target value for this one is 29. We take no, sorry, the 6 would not be here. Here is 35. 6 would be here, the required target. And if we take 6, the final string would be empty, and the target value here would come to 0, right? So if we get these condition, this is very important, then we will return yes, true, that is possible, that is possible. So ultimately the function will return. So from there we get that intuition, like with that, like we will go from one split, two split. Similarly, if possible, if two split doesn't give the answer, we get the third split, and we will maintain the target as, and we are going only in the right part. So that's the whole intuition. Hope you get that. You will get the more clear understanding if you see the code. Okay. So here we get through the function like the n value we created a sum, and we iterate through 1 to n square, and just we have created a function to take the string of that square as a value, because the manipulation would be much easier as the number from the this side, a string side, I feel. And this one is the target number what we need to achieve. So you have seen that I keep these as a base conditions. I already mentioned here this one, this line, okay. And if it gets to negative, we need to return false, as I did. Like where? This one. Sorry. Like this is the negative case. Here I covered. And now we need to create an answer rule and this loop, why we are doing, and we are going to the string each, like the string will get into every possible substring length, like it will start from one length, two length, like as I told already. Like here we need to split in a minor wave, single, second, third, fourth, whatever would be the length of that string. So we took the first left, then right part, and we need to convert the left part into the integer because we are reducing it from the target, right? Got it? So from that we will move to the second means further divisions or recursion call, whatever you say. And then we are doing only checking only for the right part, and we are moving till the right part, we are checking, see, target minus left, and we are keep on doing and checking whether it is coming as a true or not. And we are doing for the further division until it reaches the base conditions, or and then we will return the answer. So in that manner the whole thing will be done. So that's all for the thank you.